Today we're tackling something that makes a lot of people nervous, negotiating a car price. But trust me, with a few key strategies, you can walk out of that dealership feeling like a champion, not like you've been taken for a ride. We're going to do a little role play to show you exactly how it's done. I'll be the buyer, and let's imagine my friend off camera is the salesperson. Okay, deep breath. Let's go. Hi there. I've done some research online and I'm really interested in this specific SUV, the blue one over there. See what I did there? I came in prepared. I didn't just pull a number out of thin air. I anchored the negotiation based on facts, the invoice price and local market data. This shows the salesperson I'm serious and I've done my homework. It moves the conversation from their high starting point to a more reasonable one. Now, the salesperson will likely counter. They might say something like, "I appreciate your research, but we can't go that low. The best I can do is $31,000. This is where you stay firm, but polite. I understand you have to make a profit, and I respect that. However, $31,000 is still quite a bit higher than the current market value. My offer of $29,200 is very fair and based on real data. Perhaps we can meet somewhere in the middle. How about we look at the out-the-door price? Can you provide a full breakdown including all taxes and fees?" Shifting to the out-the-door price is a crucial move. It prevents them from agreeing to a lower price for the car, only to add on a bunch of surprise fees later. You want to negotiate the total amount you'll be writing the check for. Let's say they come back with a detailed sheet and an out-the-door price of $32,500. Now you can scrutinize the fees. Okay, I see the sales tax and registration, which is fine. But what is this $800 dealership prep fee and this $500 documentation fee? These seem a bit high. I know other dealerships in the area charge much less for doc fees. I'm willing to raise my offer on the car itself to $29,800, but I can't agree to these inflated fees. Can we remove the prep fee and reduce the doc fee to $150? You're showing flexibility, but you're also pushing back on the areas where dealerships often pad their profits. You're negotiating the whole package, not just the sticker price. The final and most powerful tool in your arsenal is the ability to walk away. If you've gone back and forth, and they read just not budging to a price that feels fair, you say this: "I really appreciate your time, and I do love the car. We're just too far apart on the numbers," and then you leave. More often than not, if your offer was reasonable, your phone will ring before you even get to your car. They don't want to lose a prepared and committed buyer. So, to recap, do your research, make the first offer based on facts. Negotiate the out-the-door price, question every fee, and always be prepared to walk away. It's your money, and you're in control. I hope this little role play helps you feel more confident for your next car purchase. If you found this useful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your own negotiation success stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.